First we're opening colors. Yes, light green color. The next one is blue color, red color, light pink color, yes, orange color. Kids, the next one is dark green color, black color, sky blue color. Stay with us. Sky blue color, dark pink color, white color. Kids, the next one is yellow color, Persian blue color, yes, brown color, and the last one is silver color. So kids, write in capital letter alphabets A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Kids, first we're using the color of, yes, sky blue color and writing the alphabet of A. The next one is B. Now we're writing the alphabet of C, D, E for egg, and the next one is F, G for God, the next one is H, dark pink color, H for hand, I, J, K, the next one is L, M, N, O, the next one is P, Q for queen, R for rose, S, T, U, and the next one is V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Kids, first we're opening colors. Stay with us. Yes, silver color, and the next one is white color. Kids, now we open the color of sky blue, and the next one is, yes, yellow color. Kids, the next one is, yes, light pink color. The next one is Persian blue color. Now we open the color of blue color. The next one is, yes, brown color. And the next one is dark green color, red color. The next one is, yes, light green color, black color, dark pink color. Kids, the next one is, and the last one is orange color. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. Stay with us. A, B, C, D, E, F. The next one is G, H, I, J, K, L, L. The next one is M, N, O, P, Q, and the last one is R. First we're using the color of, yes, red color, and now we're writing the alphabet of A. A for apple, A, and the next one is B. C for cow, C for cat, D for dog, E for egg, F for fish, the next one is G, blue color. Now we're writing the alphabet of G. The next one is H, using the color of blue, I, J, K for kite, L. The next one is M for moon, M for mango, orange color, M for moon, M for mango. And the next one is N, O, P, Q, R. First we're opening colors. Stay with us. Cool gray color, and the next one is warm gray color. Kids, the next one is coral red color. Stay with us. The next one is yellow. Yes, yellow green color. Exactly, so many colors. Wow. The next one is geranium color. Kids, now we open the color of pale blue light color. The next one is vivid green color. And now we open the color of deep olive green color. Kids, stay with us. The next one is yellow color. Yellow color. Now we open. Yes, scarlet color. Scarlet color. So kids, the next one is black color. Black color. Stay with us. Forest green color. The next one is cream color. Yes, cream color. Today we write in capital letter alphabets A to Z. Yes, the next one is raw silk color. Yes, so many colors. Wow, emerald green color. Emerald green color. Kids, the next one is pale blue light color. Yes, vivid purple color. The next one is Persian blue color. Persian blue color. Mint blue color. Mint blue color. Light violet color. Kids, the next one is rose big color. Stay with us. Now you open the color of lavender color. And the next one is pastel pink color. Pastel pink color. Baby blue color. The last one is baby blue color. Stay with us. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. So many colors. Wow. Stay with us. Wow, so many colors. Nice. Kids, first we're using the color of, yes, Persian blue color. Persian blue color. And now we're writing the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. A, and the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. C. D. E for egg. Stay with us. F for fish. G for God. The next one is H. I. J. Now we're writing the alphabet of K. L for lemon. M. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. Now we're using the color of uranium. O for octopus. P for penguin. Q for queen. The next one is R. S for snake. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V. The next one is W. X. Y. And the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.